What's up, you guys? Adrian Williams here. Thank you for joining me inside another video where I teach people how to become financially independent using affiliate marketing. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, you guys, be sure to stick around to the very end of this video because I'm also going to share with you my #1 free traffic source for generating leads and sales online with the Infinity Processing System. If you like the value that I'm sharing inside of this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so first off, when you guys decide to join me inside the Infinity Processing System, you guys are going to receive my extra added bonuses. The 10K a month online case study, which is $297 value, you're going to receive that for free. The How I Made $2,000 in 20 Minutes Facebook group training, which is valued at $197, you're going to also receive that as free. And also you're going to get the commission blueprint, which is also valued at $97. You're going to receive that free also. So let me show you guys a little bit of my results. With the Infinity Processing System, I have been able to generate inside one of my payment accounts upwards of $63,000. And also, as of to date, I just did a cash out. I generated over $2,000 with this system, but I spent a little bit. But as of today, I've been able to generate upwards about $2,000. But you know, I've sent $1,700 into my account. So with that being said, the Infinity Processing System is a fairly simple system to get started with. You know, you get your own website. They're going to give you your own custom-made website, and it's a 1, 2, 3 step system. You know, you get started, you post ads on social media, and you get paid. It's really just that simple. Once you get set up, you can choose whichever level you want. You choose the starter level, which is $50. You're going to be able to receive $50 payments. If you get the elite level, you're going to be able to receive $150 payments and $50 payments. But my recommended level is the $300 level, because if you get any of the lower levels, the pass ups, if you don't get under the $300 level, anything you know, under the level that you, above the level that you join in, it gets passed up to your sponsor. So you know, you want to secure yourself so you don't miss out on any commissions. That's why I recommend anyone to join the system to get the pro level. Inside of the trainers, you guys are going to get a lot of up-to-date trainers, you know, creating an automated sales funnel. It also comes with pre-generated email follow-ups, so you guys are going to get the whole entire sales funnel system where you can be able to, you know, implement it and just plug it in and be able to start driving traffic to your business. They also teach attraction marketing. A lot of people you know, join inside of these businesses, and the first people that they start to, you know, bother to join their business is their friends and family. The Infinity Processing System teaches you how to avoid having to do all of that. It teaches you how to attract your target customers inside your business without being pesky, without being salesy, without just, you know, being irritating, you know, with people, and just be able to brand yourself and attract the right people inside of your business. You know, they give you the pre-written ads and images. They teach you Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, which is one of my favorite, and TikTok marketing, which is also another one of my favorites. Now, I told you guys in the beginning of this video that I would share with you one of my #1 traffic sources, and as of to date, this is my sales funnel, and right now I'm getting about a 45% conversion rate so far, which is really good. Out of 24 users, it's a fairly new page that I just created. But as you guys can see, most of my visitors are coming from TikTok. Yes, TikTok is a very, very good traffic source, and you really don't have to have a huge following to generate these leads and sales from TikTok. TikTok Once you learn the trainers that's inside the course, they're going to show you everything that you need to know to be able to generate targeted leads from TikTok. I also use Instagram as well as YouTube. And these are just some of the traffic sources that I recommend anyone who's just getting started to utilize. It doesn't take a lot of work. It doesn't take a lot of effort. Only thing it takes is just to go through the trainers and implement what you learn if you would like to get results. So with that being said, if you would like to join the Infinity Processor System, click the link below my video and you can get the added bonuses that I'm throwing in to you guys. They actually help me out a lot, so I'm pretty sure they will help anyone out who's trying to generate an income online, whether it be with the Infinity Processing System or any other systems. So with that being said, you guys, I'm Adrian Williams. I'm signing out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next. Take care. Peace.